In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart taxes on TurboTax. Whether you've made a mistake or simply want to start fresh, TurboTax makes it quite straightforward to clear your current progress and begin again. Follow these steps, and you'll be back at the starting line in no time. First, you'll want to head over to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. You can easily find this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the TurboTax website. Once there, log in using your credentials to access your account. If you're not already on the homepage for the 2025 tax year, make sure to select it from the menu or the dashboard. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a variety of options. Look for the section titled Tax Tools. This is your go-to area for managing and adjusting your tax filing process. Click on Tax Tools to reveal a submenu with additional choices. Within the Tax Tools menu, you'll need to click on Tools. This will open up a new set of options that are designed to help you manage your tax return more effectively. Here, TurboTax offers a range of features to help you keep track or make changes to your taxes, so it's a good place to become familiar with. Now, here comes the critical part: locating the Clear and Start Over option. This feature is exactly what you're looking for if you wish to restart your tax process entirely. By selecting Clear and Start Over, you will be able to wipe out your current tax data and return to the beginning of the filing process. It's an incredibly useful feature when you need a fresh start, but remember, this action cannot be undone. So, ensure that you really want to clear everything before proceeding. Once you click on Clear and Start Over, TurboTax will ask you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is important because it prevents accidental loss of data. Carefully read the prompt, and if you're sure about starting over, confirm the action. After this, TurboTax will reset your account for the current tax year, allowing you to begin entering your information from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully restarted your taxes on TurboTax. Remember, while it's great to have the option to start over, it's always wise to double-check your entries as you proceed to minimize the need to redo your work. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and happy filing.